Guys, today we got what I like to call a hunter special. It'll get the job done, but it's not real pretty. It's Cab High Fiberglass. I believe it's a hop cap. Not sure, just going on gut instinct. Based on measurements, because there's no markings on this at all, this should fit the 88 to 98 Chevy trucks, which means it'll fit the 88 to 98. If you're not super picky, if you're buying this, you're probably not going to be super picky. It'll fit the 99 to 06s on the Chevy GMC trucks, and it will fit the 94 to 01 Dodge Rams at the 8-foot bed. This one, somebody has bought in a can of that roll-on bed liner, and yeah, they put it on there somewhat. It was silver underneath, you can see there. You can see it pretty much in all kinds of spots where silver's come through. It's just rolled on bed liner. I don't even know what else to say about it. Maybe with some fresh paint over top of it, rattle can, maybe you could make it look good, or maybe you don't even care. A little bit of a scratch there. They weren't real picky when they put the roll-on bed liner on there, or brush on, or whatever it was, because they've got it on the frame, window frames. They got it around there. It's on the window frames down through here. I will say, based on what the inside looks like, it doesn't appear that it leaks at all. Got a bunch of the old paint showing through there. A little bit of a scratch there. Half side sliders on the side. Sliding window in the front. So on this one here, we just had to go off of measurements. All the tags are missing. Anything that would have identified this is missing. And like I said, I believe that it's hop cap, and that would have put it out of business at least 20 years ago. Probably more than that, probably 25 years ago. As you can see, they just use a roll-on liner and just, they got the majority of the color covered over. Sliding window in the front, slides open, allows access to the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. That's just like so. We did put some new screw cover on here because that was not in there and it looks like horrible. So we put the screw cover in there to at least make that look decent. I think it was silver or white, not really sure. It's one of those two colors before. Like I said, you can see it all over the side of the window frame. They weren't real particular when they put it on. Half side sliders on this side. Single T-handle locking rear door. Now, because of the age of this, it's a little bit sprung. We'll have to kind of squeeze these sides together, which is normal for this, the first generation of the 88, 98 Chevy trucks. They were made with aluminum frame rails. They weren't really sure how to make truck caps that would taper at the back. So they made them the way they always made them, which is aluminum frame rails. And they were square, typically squeezed them in at the back. and they just had a tendency to want to spread back apart. So just squeeze those together and that'll be fine. It'll go back together and work just fine. A couple snags in the screens there. Bigger one right there. The bottom of the screen on this side looks pretty decent. Until you get to right about there, you get a couple more snags in the screen. This side, screen looks pretty good. Little snag right there. Couple snags right there. Down here, got one. Good news is, this thing's really, really white on the inside, which means it probably doesn't leak. Usually they're going to be stained up really bad. So I would say this thing probably doesn't leak. But yeah, it's got a dome light. Yeah, I mean, it used to probably be wired at one time, so probably the wires are gone. I don't know if this stuff works or not. There's another dome light there. There's a tag. I can't even read it. But if I remember correctly, putting my thought cap on here, that was a tag that Hopcap would put on their caps. But I'm not positive of that, but I think that's what it was. So that's what led me to believe it was a Hopcap. We did put a new lock cylinder on here. So there it is, Cab High Fiberglass. Pretty sure specifically for the 88 to 98 Chevy trucks with an 8-foot bed. But going off measurements, it should fit that, as well as the 99 to 06 Chevy GMC trucks with the 8-foot bed, and the 94 to 01 Dodge Ram with the 8-foot bed within reason. There are slight differences, inch or half-inch differences on the sides, but nothing major. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, see how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those are all available on our website, online on our website. So you can click that link, go to our site, type in the search bar what you're looking for, and we'll get it shipped out to you right away. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, certain cap, style, brand, color, height, bed size, we upload our used inventory to YouTube and our website when inventory comes in, so you'll want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck apps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. Need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.